Hi guys, today we've got a Jaguar XF in for correction and 4-year ceramic coatings. So I'll spin the camera around and show you around. Here she is, black wheels. Not in bad condition. I've had it under the lights inside. I just need to give it a wash first, and you'll see about that in a little while. It is quite badly marked on the outside, swirl marks and wash marring and scratches. From here it looks stunning, but we'll get the clarity back and get it looking lovely. So I'll film some more once I start polishing it and getting it looking nice. There we go, the car's now washed, decon, clay barred, dry. As you can see from what I said earlier, it is quite covered in. I don't know if you can pick them up on the camera. There we go. A lot of swirls, a lot of straight scratches, mainly from washing. Once it's inside under the lights, it looks worse. But yeah, hopefully we can rectify most of this and get it back to a clear, metallic, nice black paint job. So I'll pull it in and then I'll show you around it once it's inside. See you in a bit. There we go, car's now inside. Still doesn't look overly bad until you get up close, and if I put a light on it, it's just bad. So see if we can get this clarity back, get rid of all these swirls, light scratching. There's some deeper scratches in there as well, but should be able to get it looking nice. It's quite hard to show on the camera, but yeah, we'll get it looking good. I'll do a test panel and then I'll let you have a look and see what you think. See you in a bit. There we go, just done a quick test panel, just on this wing, so you can see the bad bit there, and then this needs refining still, but that is a lot better. So I'm pleased with that. So let's crack on and get the rest of the So guys, I've polished all the way up this side, up to the back quarter, over the top, half the roof. Bonnet's cut, just needs refining. As you can see, it's starting to look a lot better than it was. I've got more of a mirror image finish now. As you can see, a lot of the scratches are now gone. Excuse all the dust, I need to give it a wipe down afterwards. So just got this side to do, but you can see the difference from what we had before. Back of the car, and then like the bonnet was just as bad as all of that, and this wing is now done, so it looked like that side. Clarity's a lot better. Just need to do a refine on all of this side, cut that side and refine the whole car together. Bumpers still need doing. I need to get the number plate tape off. I need to go and get some couple more makeup pads to do that because I've run out. And I think I still need to do the tailgate. It's a bit dusty, but as you can see, it's still quite scratched when the camera focuses. There we go. See the scratches in there. Like I said, excuse the dust. Part of the polishing process, unfortunately. Back bumper still needs doing. But the only bits I've struggled with a bit is, if I put this down, this panel's been painted, so there's some deeper scratches here. I don't know if you can see them, there you go. Just need a little bit more, might need to do a deeper cut on them. And there's a few little bits of muck in the paint. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, there we go, there. Other than that, it's not really a bad paint job. There's a few sanding marks left in it. There's another scratch going along there. But I've got the majority of it out. They've done pretty good colour match between the door and where they faded it in. So it's just these big scratches here that need a bit more attention. I don't know if I can get a better view of them. There you go. So once they're gone, hopefully that panel will be perfect. Except for the little bits of paint, little bits in the paint, can't do much about them. And up this door, as you can see, there's a couple of dents, dings, all the way up that leading edge of the door there. Not a lot I can do with them either, unfortunately. Unless the customer wants to get a dent guy out. But yeah. We're getting there. Just need to polish the chrome bits best as I can because they've been bleached by hand washes, TFR and so forth, as always. But other than that, it's coming up as nice. Just need to do the usual black trims, but I'll show you some more in a bit.
Right guys, the paint is now corrected. Well, cut and refined, so it's now looking absolutely gorgeous. Near enough every single scratch has come out. If you ignore some of the dust and stuff, need to give it a panel prep and then put the coating on, which I'm using Zirconites ZQ9h 4-year guaranteed ceramic coating. As you can see, looks absolutely gorgeous. Managed to get the scratches that were in here better. I don't know if you can see them. In there somewhere. But yeah, obviously they've come out well if I can't find them. But yeah, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So I'll get the coating on. I also need to coat the wheels, do the tyres, clean the windows and everything. I still need to find out what to use on some of this tarnishing on there. I've polished up these the best they'll come. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Got the apprentice with us today as well. Dottie. There's the apprentice. Good girl. Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you some more in a bit. So guys, the Jag is now almost complete. The paint's coated, the wheels are coated. It's looking gorgeous. Just some last finishing touches to do. But yeah, I think the customer's going to be well chuffed. It's gorgeous. Dottie's just admiring the work. So yeah, I'll hopefully pull it outside tomorrow and do some video out there. It all depends on the weather, but it's raining currently, so I can't pull it out. But yeah, I'm relatively impressed with how it's come out. Pretty dust everywhere. But yeah, so it just needs to cure overnight, so it'll be a bit glossier tomorrow. Um, but yeah, happy with the results. So I'll video some more in a bit. There we go then, guys. Outside all finished. Looking absolutely gorgeous. So rewarding doing black. Yeah, it's come out better than I expected, considering the condition of it when I got it in. I'm hoping the customer will be impressed. Sure he will. So yeah, it's got single stage machine polish, and then the Zirconite ZQ9h 4-year guaranteed ceramic coating on there. So keep him going for a little while. But yeah, I'll do a montage and see you on the next one. Ta-ra.